Hello, hello, another day of our challenge, and today we will continue with pipelines. We need to make them running at the end. So yeah, let's jump into the browser and let's set the timer again for 20 minutes. Okay, I will just turn on my do not disturb mode. And okay, let's check what's going on there in those pipelines. Workflows, okay. It failed. Error using of type service principal. Not all values are present. Client ID and tenant ID are supplied. Double check if is correct. Okay, let's see here. And in general, let's check if no, it's here, I think. Git push. I did some changes as I remember and haven't pushed them. Okay. Azure RGSM SHD client ID. Let's see if the name is proper. Okay. Yeah, the name is different. This is why it's not running. Okay, so let's remove that secret. I need to double authenticate myself. And yeah, new repository secret. SSM SHD. Okay, and the secret will be enterprise application here. Application ID. And I will save the secret. Okay. So here, if I will go into my pipeline, okay, yeah, it failed. So yeah, let's try to rerun the workflow, run workflow, and let's see. Okay, it's trying to log in. I think currently it should work. And then with that pipeline, the Logantics workspace should be deployed properly, and then the application, the infrastructure for the application should be configured properly, because we will have the Logantics workspace deployed, so it should be possible to. Oh yeah, the login is successful currently, so it should be deployed. We need to wait a second. I need to take off my headphones, it's not required. So let's see if it will be deployed. The installation takes a lot of time, as usual. But let's wait. Oh yeah, it's starting deployment by running the script. if I will go into portal, that shared services deployment, okay, it's running. I need to update the name of the deployment. So yeah, here I know where I have the here that name of the deployment. But yeah, for now it's okay. Okay, it looks good that it's deployed already. Oh yeah, we have our log analytics workspace. So if I will go into my resources, deploy resources, then it should run properly now. So let's try. Workflow. And let's see what will happen. Again, logging to Azure. So here I can close that, and also I can close that. Okay, logging successful. Oh, come on, faster. Yeah, maybe we will create the custom agent for GitHub Actions, because it's so annoying waiting all of that time again and again. So it can be a nice exercise for doing that. Okay, it's running the deployment here. That resource group deployment. Yes. Okay, interesting. We have some parallel deployments, but it's okay. Bad request. Could not retrieve log analytics workspace. Okay. Yeah, because here in our templates we have our log analytics workspace in another resource group. So description is placed. Group name, and we found default value, and here in our param I will add resource group name. I think that I need to start doing refactor, because we are getting lots of shortcuts thing, and the code can be much better rather than it is currently. So here I will use scope and resource group with the the name. So yeah, I will try to do the deployment currently locally to make sure that it will work. Okay. Yes. Let's see. Let's check the deployments. Not here, but here. Okay, it's running. Okay. Now looks good that the application insights are deployed properly. So if I will go in portal to my resource group, and I will check application insights. Here they are connected properly, and we have that key for our log analytics workspace. So yeah, probably I need to redeploy that sometime because it's kind of secure value, that instrumentation key, but it's our demo, so it's okay. So yeah, okay, the deployment's done. So I can status fix reference to love analytics workspace git push also. So yeah, let's see what's going on there. Okay, that failed, that deployment failed. And here we have the deployment running. Also, I will look on all actions. All actions are running currently, but it should be done properly in all of actions. So yeah, I think that's it, at least currently from the resources perspective, because on the diagram, not this diagram, we have we have key vault, we have function up with storage and with app service plan. We have our resource group, of course, with resource groups, service bus, application insights with log analytics workspace. So yeah, I think that we can slowly start deploying of the application. Let's see on the workflows what they are running. But yeah, I think that in the meantime I can create a new folder called app, at least for now. I can close all of that things. Close all. Okay, and I think that in that application folder, of course, here in that infrastructure, we can do lots of refactors, lots of improvements, and I hope that in the future we will do them, all of them. I have really nice things to show you, but now I would like to focus on delivering the functionality, which will generate the value. And of course, from the beginning, I could show you everything as it should be, but yeah, I think that value of refactoring stuff is also really interesting, because I think that there is no so much in content about refactoring itself in the internet. So I hope that in the future we will proceed with that part also. So for now I can close the infrastructure part, and I can go into, oh yeah, we have green, and here the last one, deploying to prod. Yeah, those are resource groups, so okay. But still, it looks like all of our workflows are done properly. We have all greens. So if I will go into Azure Functions, docs. I can open the C# one, and yes, command line. Okay, I have already. I need to check if I have .NET installed. .NET version, as I remember, yeah, 8 version already installed. Okay, I will also install the Azure Function Tools. And I will install Azure Functions at all. I have 3 minutes still. Okay, it's installing. Okay. I need to go lstcd up. Okay. And I will create init VM start stop. Yes. Okay, and here in app VM start stop we have our project. Just thinking, yeah, maybe I can to have everything in app folder, to not have that vs start stop, and we have this, okay, extensions. So that extension file I will move into that VS Code folder. Okay, move to trash. And also I will move all of that into app folder to not have the. Okay, so currently we have that. Launch settings. Okay, and what we have still in documentation. Visual Studio Code. Okay. So would be nice to have .NET maybe a function. .NET Web Console C# project. Okay, the question is if I have extension Azure Functions. Okay, reload required. Okay. Okay, already I have that. Required access to build. Yes. Okay, so it restored the assets, and currently I would have command line function new. Okay, so if here I will start func start, it should run. Oh, okay, I don't have any function, so this is the reason. But name. So now here what I would like to have in my command line, maybe I would like to also have that Azure, no, integration workspace, no, resources, no, Kubernetes Ansible. Probably I need to relog in with my but yeah, okay. So I will go into my functions and functions, create function, multi-root, multiple functions project in the same workspace folder must either set the default or use multi. Okay, learn more. Okay, here. Okay. Okay. So settings, code, preferences. Okay, project subpath src up. Okay. Okay, I got the configuration, and the first function will be time trigger, because here in our diagram, okay. So maybe let's stay as it is. I will just commit those changes, git status, cd, and I also check launch. Okay, yes. Configuration, tasks. Okay, so thanks for setting the default part. I have the configuration, so I will just add this link to the documentation. functions. Okay, git push, and already we have configuration for our functions. So we can create the first function and continue working on that. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being with me. And tomorrow we will continue with functions development. So have a nice day, have a nice evening, and see you tomorrow. Bye.